Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CUBOT X20. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Now you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then go with Send on an Android and Receive on CUBOT. Now click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one photo, choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two connection ways. You can input key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on CUBOT, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. But if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, click on, in my case, Images, and tap on Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!